What if you had a weather report for the stock market and you could tell when the storms were coming? That's actually what the VIX Index is, VIX. It's like a storm warning system for the stock market. The VIX lets you know when the risk is higher than normal. It measures the fear and volatility in the stock market. The VIX Index is normally between about 12 and 20. However, the tariffs and the trade war, it pushed it all the way up to 52, which is incredibly high. The only two times I'm aware of the VIX being higher was in March of 2020 when schools and businesses shut down for COVID, and then back in 2008 when Lehman Brothers collapsed, which was of course the start of the global financial crisis. Even after the 90-day pause on the tariffs, the VIX index has remained well above 30, which is historically very high. If you don't like choppy waters, you might not want to invest while the volatility index is so high. I'm seeing some very experienced professional investors saying that they are waiting for the VIX to get down to 20 or perhaps even 18 before they start buying again. Now, if you're already invested, you might need some Dramamine right now. It's a good time for deep breaths and patience. It's a great time to remind yourself that the stock market has recovered from every single market crash and correction and recovered to new and higher highs. You can Google the VIX and see the current number. You can also look up the long-term trends. And if you'd like to learn more about investing, I invite you to check out Wealth School for Women. You'll find the link in my bio where it says Linktree or in the description on YouTube. And this isn't just about the stock market. I'll be giving you an overview of all of the major asset classes, which is so important. The stock market is only one way to invest, and when we are diversified with different asset classes, we have a much smoother ride. And I'm curious if you've heard of the VIX Index before. It's something I discovered back in 2020 when I was teaching myself to invest, and I found it very helpful. There's also ways you can make money off of the VIX that nobody ever talks about. I truly believe that 2025 is going to be an important year to be investing, whether you're working with a financial professional or whether you're a do-it-yourselfer like me. You want to understand what is going on in the market. When we understand what's happening, we'll make a lot fewer mistakes. So check out Wealth School for Women.